And welcome back. Now, former president of the Jamaica Olympic Association, Mike Fennell, is expressing disappointment at the lack of investment in sports, as he says only events and moments are recognized but soon forgotten. Fennell is of the view that if there isn't a shift in support, things may get worse.
Mike Fennell says without talented athletes who have set themselves apart and the work of volunteers, the sports in Jamaica wouldn't be where it is. He says the sports would have been further along if it got the right support.
I am concerned that sport in Jamaica has not been properly recognized. We recognize events, and when you look at what has caused this to happen, very little investment has made to make that happen. What has made it happen is the talent that we have and a host of volunteers who have assisted the development and the continued development of those people.
He says that things have to change, and soon.
This cannot continue like that, and unless we start to invest and really make a contribution to the development of our stars, that wonderful reputation that we have will soon disappear.
Fennell, who was speaking at Western Sports' 50th anniversary banquet and awards dinner, is encouraging the entity to continue to support sports.
You are a part of the future, and you have to help shape that future for yourselves, your families, and in fact the memories of what we are celebrating tonight. That future can only be assured by you re-energizing yourselves, the leadership continuing to drive forward with their imagination and their courage, and also the conditions in which we operate.
Meanwhile, he had high praises for double Olympic silver medalist Julia Scott-Burt Flynn, who was also a speaker at the event.
It's a real great pleasure for me to be here with Juliet Cuthbert, sorry, the Honourable Juliet Cuthbert. Because I remember in '92 in Barcelona where she was a top star by far. And people forget these things very easily. A fantastic runner, a fantastic representative of Jamaica, and a fantastic personality. It's such a pleasure being here with Julia.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.